Solving systems of equation by elimination. We have two equations here. We're going to add or subtract them to find out what A and B are equal to. First, you have to have them in standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. These are both in standard form. You look for the same coefficient, the number that's with the variable. These both have 1. This one, both positive here, one positive, one negative. I'm going to add them. We could actually add or subtract. Let's see what happens when we add them. A plus A is 2A. 22 plus 12 is 34. Divide by 2 and A equals 17. Putting 17 back for A in either of the originals and solve for B, subtract 17 from both sides and B equals 5. So we end up with 17 comma 5. 17 plus 5 is 22 and 17 minus 5 is 12. Here we have the same coefficient with y, both 1. If they are the opposite signs, we add. If they're the same sign, we subtract. So 3x plus x is 4x. Negative y plus y is 0, so we're done with the y's. Negative 3 plus 11 is 8. Divide by 4 and x equals 2. Going back to one of the originals, I'm going to use the bottom one this time, putting in 2 for x. Subtract 2 from both sides and y equals 9. So 2 comma 9. That would be 6 minus 9 is negative 3, and 2 plus 9 is 11. So that works. Here, this top one is not in slope-intercept or standard form, so we need to move the v over. And I'm going to switch places just so that they're alphabetical. So I'm going to put negative v plus 2z equals 4. That's from the first one. And the second one, I'm just going to move the v over because I like them in that order. Okay, now that they are in that order, we have two that are the same on both. We're going to have to subtract. If we subtract those, we get negative v minus negative v, which means plus a positive, so that would be 0. 2z minus 2z is 0. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. This would be 0 equals negative 2. Since that is not a true statement, that means there is no solution here. These lines are parallel and there is no solution. So remember, if the coefficient is the same sign, you subtract. If they're opposite signs, you add.